Boy, you are not fair.
It's not me, she's inside.
Not as much. Where is she?
She's on call, she's coming.
Who are you? Where is she now?
Excuse me.
Where is she now?
This is me.
You who?
This is Choco. The girl you've been chatting with.
Give her a bobo, make she drink her. Where is my baby? I cannot wait to see her.
Why would she drink bubble? She's not a kid, she's an adult.
Do you understand? This is me. This is Choco.
I don't understand. You.
Okay, hold on. I've been using filter to talk to you on video calls.
You dey use filter?
Yes, this is me. This is my real face.
I beg. I don't get time for this. She said una make una come prank me.
Can you
tell me it's a prank when I want prank
Can you just stop? This is me.
Mami go tell you to stop. Stop. You know they fear adults. Which kind of this play where they play, no they rough. Eh?
My madam is your Choco.
I am Choco. Like I told you, I normally use filter whenever I'm talking to you on video. And I used to climb the chair whenever you want to see me. So, I believe you understand now. This is me.
Wait first. Wait till they happen for you. Wait, now me and you they talk for phone.
Yes.
I can't wait to see you. I really want to see you. Now they talk that thing for phone.
Yes, of course.
I can't wait to be in your arms. Now really they talk am.
Yes.
I can't wait to squeeze you. Now you talk that thing that night.
Yes.
See, if you not play finish, make una dey go abeg. I think of it. I don't get stressed.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm still outside waiting for the lunch time. Yes. Hold on, is that my friend on your wall? Okay. Aww, thank you so much. Aww.
Okay.
Hey! Stand here. Why you just enter like that?
What's the problem? Hey, what happened?
Let me to do my work.
Alright, it's fine.
Hey.
What's your problem?
Calm down. Hands up.
You need to be careful.
I'm the security officer. Hands up.
Okay, just give me some time. I'll call you back. What's going on there?
Madam, a minute. Opera.
You are ransacking me, young man. What's your problem?
You can now go.
Good morning.
How may I help you?
Yes, I'm here to see Choco. I have a parcel for her from Miss Caro. Yes.
Oh, she doesn't stay here, but I can take you to her place.
Oh, really?
That's only if you can give me some money for her phone. I can just phone my car and take you there.
That's not a problem. That shouldn't be a problem. So let's... Okay. Just have this. This is 50,000.
For what? I don't get. For what? What am I doing with 50,000?
That shouldn't be enough. Alright, no problem.
Just have your money.
There's no
Just have
issue.
it.
Wait. No
I'm
problem.
not that cheap.
Alright.
Please.
I think this will be enough. Add it to
Yeah,
that.
okay.
So can we go now?
Of course. Just hold on. Let me go and get my car key.
It's fine. It's fine. Alright. She needs to be fast, alright? Thank you. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Sorry, I'm looking for Choco, but I was told she has moved out.
Just give me a moment. Mama! Mama! I think they look for you. Hope there's no problem.
No, no problem. No problem.
He's
What?
looking for you.
Wait a minute. You are Choco?
Where is the thing you say? Madam said you should give me.
This is a cheap extortion.
So?
What?
Make I begin to cry. You form Mugu, I chop you, Where is the thing?
Alright. This is not fair. This is not fair.
It's not fair, it's dark. I know. Thank you, bye-bye.
Guy, you know say wetin we dey do. Na wetin wey be say if you see you go confirm. You suppose know say for this life I no dey carry last. You get? So wetin I dey try tell you be say my engagement party, I just want no crowd, just 4 to 5 max wey person go come 6. E don dey okay for me. My brother, finally, you know say they talk say he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing and obtaineth favor. This time I dey obtain favor, they obtain money, they obtain everything, they obtain property, they obtain real estate. You get this girl I get online, me and her just dey talk. This girl, her papa wetin be $5 billion. Her papa live like $10 billion estate for Miami, for Qatar, for Iraq, for Jerusalem, everywhere for this world they get houses for there. And now she be only daughter. Yes, now so wetin are the my brother, I go die for poverty. I don't go die for poverty now. So what I want now, maybe say if we engage before that kind next month, we'll begin to plan the marriage. Everything go up. No, we never even meet. I don't even know how she looks like. I never meet before. But who cares? What's it concern me? Concern how she looks. Whether she do this one or whether I don't care.
It's a good thing her father left such an amount for her. But you need to see her in person to know if she's your kind of woman and if she's the type of woman you love to get married to. Because you might not at the end like her.
Now the money na person dey after now. Make her still come dey suffer. Make her come dey suffer.
Alright. Since that's your choice and that's your decision, good luck with that.
Thank you. I beg, make una dey come. Only me no go chop all these things. Just 5-6 people don dey okay. Yeah? Thank you. Make her go. What's it again? Okay, man, they carry rice. Come.
I warned you. Didn't I tell you to service this car before now? Didn't I warn you?
Madam, I did though. I did.
I told you I was going out with it. What am I doing here?
I'm not saving this to no verse. Hey.
I don't need that just now. Just leave me.
You need the water.
I don't need it. Leave me. Let me just get out of
I'm not too savvy this thing, no. Did you do this? Start the motor just dey do zoom. Just tire.
You were asked to service it, right?
I did do. All this mechanic, maybe they'll go do not two things. Hey. Listen, hey.
What are you doing here?
What's going on, babe?
If you're coming to someone's house, you call that person now. You call that person. You don't just come in like that now. You have to call me and tell me. Then I'll know if I want you to come or not. Not just to just... Oh.
Okay, now what's the problem? Why are you treating me like this?
I'm not treating you anyway. I'm telling you what should be done. It's courtesy. Hello, are you at home? No. Yes, so. Oh yeah, come. Can I... No, that's how they do things now. That's how they do things.
So this is how it's gonna be, right? No problem. I'm going to leave. But don't come back in, okay?
I will not beg you. If you know what God is doing, if you know what God has signed my case. He has signed it. In fact, my case is green. Ahead. There is no red though. There is no go slow anywhere. What God has in store for me, He has opened the store. It's me now. I'm just. You don't even understand what is happening in my life. I think it's before. I say you can't beg me beg. I'll not beg you. You funny, comedian.
Very well then. But let me tell you, you will never get any girl like me. I promise you.
I will not get any girl like that. Oh God. I laugh in Swahili. But what's keeping me out now? You need to go back. You need to be here now. Yeah? Babe, where are you?
Madam, how are you?
Okay, I'm waiting.
What are you doing? Goodness, sweetie.
That's nice!
Yeah!
What is it? People are watching. Have you forgotten who you are?
Has anyone called you sweetie before? You would understand the feeling from here. Always to start working. Let's go!
I know you won't be like, yeah. Because just they pray like 6 to 6 fasting. But don't drink water. You know, and God will definitely send you person who will just carry you on set. Even say that 30 by 100 or 30 by 60, 30 by 20 on our land anywhere. You can start life. That's what it is. No, God will do that for you. Don't worry, the jollof they come.
Where the jollof they come? And I had wait.
I come, I go carry. I want to make it hot. Boy, you are not fair.
It's not me, she's inside.
Not as much. Where is she?
She's on call, she's coming.
Who are you? Where is she now?
Excuse me.
Where is she now?
This is me.
You who?
This is Choco. The girl you've been chatting with.
Give her a bubble, make she drink her baby. Where is my baby? I cannot wait to see her.
Why would she drink bubble? She's not a kid, she's an adult.
Do you understand? This is me. This is Choco.
I don't understand. You.
Okay, hold on. I've been using filter to talk to you on video calls.
You dey use filter?
Yes, this is me. This is my real face.
I beg. I no get time for this. She said una make una come prank me.
Can you
Tell me it's a prank when I want prank
can
me.
you just stop? This is me.
Mami go tell you to stop. Stop. You know they fear adults. Which kind this play where they play, no they rough. Eh?
My madam is your choco.
I am Choco. Like I told you, I normally use filter whenever I'm talking to you on video. And I used to climb the chair whenever you want to see me. So, I believe you understand now. This is me.
Wait first. Wait till they happen for you. Wait, now me and you they talk for phone.
Yes.
I can't wait to see you. I really want to see you. Now you they talk that thing for phone.
Yes, of course.
I can't wait to be in your arms. Now really you they talk am.
Yes.
I can't wait to squeeze you. Now you talk that thing that night.
Yes.
See, if you not play finish, make una dey go abeg. I think God baby, I don't get strength. I dey go inside.
I don't understand.
But we're not playing.
Did you just walk out on me? Do you know who I am?
Come on, no be about who I am, okay? So not true. Not true say you really did use filter. Eh? So this is what women they do, they go just carry filter, do nyash go long go back. Why nothing they there? Not true. Now what you they do with that? But my own, how so filter we go make person tall day. How you carry do am?
Wait a second. Are you really the person I've been chatting with? Please go and call your brother. I don't have the time.
Which one is go and call my brother? Who's my brother? Who's my brother?
I don't have your time. Go and call your brother.
I don't get any brother. It's me. It's me, Ekene. Bobon Kitty. It's me that you've been talking to on the phone. So what are you saying?
Hold on. You. Like this. Oh God. What kind of system is this? I wouldn't have come here. I wouldn't have.
You want to do what I did. You want to begin the talk. What are you saying? What do they talk? Eh?
You are not my spec. You are not the type of people I deal with. Okay? You're not even. You should be like 8 feet tall. I mean, like all these basketballers. You should be like a man, not like this. You're too local and classless for me.
Basketballers?
Yes, I literally earn 2 million naira in every 2 hours. Every day. So what should I do with somebody like you? Look at your tattoo. I don't even know if you use crayon or cashew nut.
See, please. I will not watch you insult me. I will not stand here and watch you insult me. That's enough now. What kind of insult is that? See, I know saying that food when I can't chop. Make when I just sit down, eat your food. I have enough. Like I said, I'm the son of the ex-governor. So food, all these things is not my problem. Okay? It's fine. Just tell the DSS that I'll join them very soon. Okay? Tell them the SSS, DSS, SFS, everybody should wait for me. I'm coming there. I don't really have your time. There's food. I know you people came here to eat. You and who? PA. People should eat. I know you came to my house to eat. You have varieties as you can see. Properly, continental dishes. So eat. Basketballer.
You can't even afford meals.
You dey form, wetin you no be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we no say nothing come out. You dey call mele, call bele wawa.
I should be that.
I'm not sure. So I see.
I don't see her full pictures.
I don't see full pictures. We just a talk, so I no come tell her send full pictures.
Why?
The love blind me.
No be the love, now the money blind you. No be the love.
But how do you go call God now? You know they join us.
No, join. Maybe next time. Maybe you and your sweetheart to enjoy your lunch together. You understand? Enjoy. Maybe next time.
No, Allah.
Yeah.
As well, I so God one time. Una got the chop already. Eh? If we're already eating, nobody is even trying to wait for me. Just started eating like that. So did they do something now? Eh? Are we not supposed to eat together? Eh?
See, I observe table manners. I don't talk while eating.
You know, there's no manner already, because the manner is that you're supposed to wait for me. So the table manners, I don't first scatter them.
You are still pushing me to talk. I don't talk while eating.
But what I'm saying is that this is supposed to be an engagement party. And we planned this to be an engagement party, but you just came here, you and your, I don't know, people are just eating. PA.
Wait, are you trying to insult me? Do you think I can afford this? This cheap thing I'm trying to manage?
Wait, why? No, not talk more. Do you know how much I spent to prepare this
How much?
food? Do you know what it took me to prepare?
Meanwhile,
do you know what it took my cook to prepare it? Eh? Do you know how much spent? You don't do things like you acknowledge people.
I already told you you're not my spec. You don't have what it takes to be my spec. You don't have full beards, no 6 packs, no pink lips. You're not up to 8 feet. 8 feet tall. No Gen Z body vibes, no steez.
Gen Z body vibes.
It is too local for my liking. See, I am worth over $10 billion in real estate, both here in Nigeria and Dubai. Ask around. So what should I be doing with a classless guy like you? Get the hell out.
Look, you know this words can make one just commit suicide. Because how can you be saying such thing to me? Am I the one that created myself? Eh? And then all of a sudden you're rating me to be classless. But then it's you that calls me. You call me sweet names on the phone. You call me sweet names on the phone. Honey, boo boo. I can't wait to lie on your chest. I can't wait to do that. And you're saying this to me. I'm not your class. Yeah? You're seated in my house eating my food, murdering my eggs.
Tata, give him that money. Let's go. I can't take this again.
They never reach like that now. It hasn't gotten to that.
Can't you see this for the less privileged?
Yes, he's one of them. Give him the money he agrees he can use it to settle the people he borrowed money for this nonsense meal. Let's go.
No, it never reached like that. It never reached like, you know what? Sorry, calm down. Make I just go bring drink. Everything double. Make you use a chill. Okay, just hold on. I'm coming. Let me get everything.
You're already calling me. I don't like insults. I don't like insults. Just pack these things in that bag. You came with the bag, right? Yes. Came with the bag I gave you. Ma'am. Pack it there. Let's go. I don't like insults.
Calm down.
Pack this thing. Let's go.
See, he wants to bring you. Calm down.
I don't like insults. You're insulting because of this cheap thing. Is that I can't afford it? How many times do you eat this in a day?
Can I follow you and eat soon? 5 pack, please.
Like what is really egg? Nonsense.
You don't talk while eating. Calm down.
You look down on people because you think you have money. What is this?
Wait now. Are you people going like that?
Yes. I have an emergency meeting to attend.
Calm down now. Is your Bobon Kitty? Has it gotten to living in a hurry? Let's sit and talk things over now.
I clearly stated that you're not my spec. When I see my spec, I'll start spending like for 1 billion on him.
I'm not your spec. Ha. Check this thing well, I'm a spec. Oh. Eh? Wait, now we can talk this thing over.
We can't talk anything over.
Calm down, sweetie pie. Why are you being in a hurry? Eh? Calm down. It's not because me, I just decided to just bring myself down. Eh? I'm a commodity. Oh. I mean, in this country, before they discuss anything, my father must be aware. My late grandfather is Agui Ironsi, that they governed this country that you're born in. Okay, it's not because I just decided to just bring myself down. My father is an ex-governor. If you don't know, know it now.
It's okay. You have seen on my spec. I know the people I deal with, not people like you.
Ex-governor's son is not your spec. See, check this thing well, oh. PA, talk to her now. You people can come inside. Eh? This is just.
Mama.
What?
He's an ex-governor's son.
So?
Are you sure you not swallow your pride and beg him?
Are you okay? You want me to stoop so low to talk? Are you okay?
Anyway, I'm inside. You people can talk things over. I get it, woman to woman. You people should talk. I'm inside.
I'm sorry, ma.
What do you even take me for? What? You don't rate me, right?
I didn't.
Enter this car, let's move.
Sorry, ma.
You dey form, wetin you no be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we no say nothing come out. You dey call mele, call bele wawa. All the cars,
make them say she don't go. Wait. So for this girl, man, she won't make I beg her. Me, Ekene, Keto, beg you for waiting. You dey whine. You dey really dey whine. Me I call it back. If you reason this thing, you know say if you be saying our village people now they use me, they do this thing. Because you now, you know say you need money. And that year get money, she get what you want. You supposed calm down when they follow her, they do what she wants. No. Me say I was supposed to get pride as a man now. I supposed to get pride, I supposed to carry my shoulder high. Now small thing I go best, small thing. She go come see me finish. But even say she see me finish. Money, they do money see finish. Wait so, look I make mistakes somewhere. You say now slap, she slap me. Where money go there on the table. Waiting with that one. I just change this thing what they do. Beg or no beg, you lose this one, now go just carry this one and give you. Come on. Look up. I go find her. Which kind of wahala be this now? Which kind of wahala be this? Eh? They do nonsense pride. Eh? Now pride now. Okay, now make pride give you food, make you chop. Make pride give you food. Make pride put food for your table. Eh? Which kind of thing be this now?
I'm here to pick my things from the room. So you actually hosted a woman here?
Petty, sweetie, honey, boo boo, bonita, you go enter inside the house, kids close. Eh? She know they pick my call. She know they pick my call. Waiting they really they occur for my life. What is going on? Eh? International I don't do, nothing come out. Local I don't run, nothing come out. So which one I really want do? Eh? You say you gonna help village people, they frustrate your life. What I go do now? What I go do? Eh? What I go do?
If I had seen any girl in this house, it would have been the end of this relationship.
Babe, the 50K where you promised me, okay? Oh, yeah, 40. Which kind of wild life is this? This one where everybody just they come out from my life. Waiting they happen. Waiting. Is this a sign? Is this a sign? Ah. Well, I know too much like this. Ah.
Go and get me water fast. Go and get me water.
You're eating it now?
Yes, give me water.
Mama, cold or normal temperature? Anyone? Okay.
Madam, now they celebrate birthday today. Madam, this your food they enter my eye and they make me they hungry. A spoon, please.
Get out!
Come here!
It's your kids.
Baby, water! Water, no! No milk! Water! No, water!
So you mean to tell me that you left that fortune go because you don't find her attractive? What about the money now?
But I just want to maintain small steez down. As a man, you're supposed to get small pride.
Steez, which steez? Will the steez give you money? How can you have honey in your mouth and you spit it out and you decide to lick dust? Where does that happen?
I'm not licking any dust. I don't spit out any honey. I don't want to tell you. No issue. I'll call her.
You will call her? That means you've never even called her yet.
I've been calling her. She's not picking.
Hey, keep calling her now. Keep calling her. Just be dialing her number.
He called, but I ended the call.
You sure say this thing will work?
It's supposed to work. But don't you trust me again? It will work.
Then you should pick his call.
Why?
Mama, opportunity comes but once. So.
Because he has money. I cannot lose my sense and composure because of a man that has money. No, I can't do that. If you're that cheap, you can go for it. But me, I can't do it. Me, I have my own money. So you can't control me with your money. Yes, his money, his father's money, in fact, his family's wealth cannot be compared anywhere close to my family's wealth. Even my own personal money.
Mama, you forget say the girl owe you well. Oh.
Me, I get money well. My own money speaks louder than anything.
Okay, oh.
You got no sense. Let nobody deceive you with money. Look at me, I have money. I can sort you, I can do anything for you.
I believe you, Mama. My Shakara Mama. I should take classes from you.
If you like, I teach anybody when they work for me, I teach them road. I they show you better road where they follow. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You have to do small shakara, you know. So you don't show them that you are cheap.
I believe you, Mama. What would you like to have for dinner?
Do we still have soup?
Yes, that's a salad soup is still remaining.
Okay, so I think I want that.
Okay, let me get some.
What's up? Why's your face like that? What's the problem? Talk to me. What is it?
Ekene is hurting me.
I wonder what you saw in that village tout that made you fall in love with him. Wait. Do you know who you are? Do you know how beautiful you are? It seems you've forgotten. Do you know your class in this town? Do you know who your mom is?
I love you.
You say? You love him. You love him, you love him, you love him, you love him. Since you've been in love with this guy, what has his love done for you? If not premium and quality tears. Baby girl, you need somebody like Yemi in your life. Yemi is the rightful man that will take care of you, that will make you feel like a woman. See that village brat? You're wasting your time. And you've been turning Yemi down because of that tout. Stop now.
What's wrong with you? Why are you judging him like that? You don't even know him so well. Why are you speaking of him like that? Oh, is it because I told you that he came from the village? That's why you hate him that much.
Are you expecting someone or something?
She's not kidding.
Come here to do what?
Could you come check?
I bet it shouldn't be a Kenny because if it is him, blood will flow. I am begging you, Jesus Christ, coordinate yourself. Respect yourself. Come and sit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be leaving you to love beds to enjoy yourselves. Yemi, you are always welcome. Feel at home. Sit.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Hillette.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
I was wondering if we can hang out tonight and have some drinks and then talk.
Jamie, don't you think it's not good to visit a woman at night uninvited? Don't you think it's inappropriate?
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry, but you know the nature of my job. But I would have called at least.
It's fine.
So,
No, please. I'm not in the mood to go out or to talk, please.
Just one time, please. Just a chat. She just walked alone again.
I'll just block you now. I'm just the one doing myself. I'll be calling you to pick call is a problem. Just block you and know that there's nothing that will just make me call you again. Rubbish. Papa. Hello, Papa. Good evening. Good evening, sir. That you, which one is, what's the problem? You're not feeling well. Papa. Please, let nothing happen to you. Instead, I'll come to the village. I'll come and see you, please. Papa, I'm trying my best, Kwano. I'm trying my best. It's not easy. It's not easy with me anywhere. You're in this country with me. Just save your strength. I'll come. I'll come first thing tomorrow. Hi. Okay, Papa. Okay, bye. What kind of sickness is this now? Yeah, Papa Nunca.
Where are you going to? You see? You need him. I knew you were going to see him. Can I come with you?
Which one is what is going on here?
Who are you?
Who are you? I'm supposed to be asking you, who are you? Are you not seeing my portrait here? Hello? Are you not seeing my face? This should tell you who I am.
Wait.
Do you have any problem with that? So now who are you? Answer me, fast. Who the hell are you and what are you doing here?
Are you...
I am not his child because I know that is what you want to say, obviously. I am his girlfriend, wife to be, soonest. So who are you?
Excuse me?
Excuse you. Who are you, young lady?
Oh, wait, hold on. You are who exactly?
Are you deaf? I said I am his girlfriend, wife to be. So who are you and what are you doing here?
Hold on. You mean this is you? And you're... Get out.
Why?
I say you should get out of my man's face.
You should get... Wait, did you just say your man?
Yes.
If you're a man, you must be sick in the head. Are you mad? No. Do I look like I'm here to play with you or I'm here to laugh? Are you okay? Are you sick? This is my man's house. Wait, like I said, shh, I'm not done with you. This is my man's house. So I don't know what you are doing here. And I want you to leave here this minute.
Hold on. You mean Ekene is cheating on me with you?
I don't understand. Which one is cheating on you with me? He is clearly cheating on me with you. Okay? He's cheating on me with that men. I don't understand. How do men think? Because how do you expect a man to have somebody like me? Let me not just overhype myself. Somebody like me and then cheat on me with someone like you. Men are just too stupid. Like, they don't think normal. They don't think straight. Why would you... You can't even compare yourself to me. Because what is this? What in God's name is this? So you think you can just achieve someone's man because of all this? Come on, just leave this place. I don't want to talk too much. Let me not drag you. Get out of this place.
Before I close my eyes and open, disappear. Get out.
To where?
I said you should get out.
Auntie, get out of
here. Get out! Stop talking if I'm talking! Get out!
Do I look I'm joking with you? I'm not joking with you. I'm going to disgrace you here now. Just leave. This is going to be like literally Goliath and David. So just get out before I do something dangerous to you.
You. Get out!
She's talking here, talking. I'm playing with you. Do I look like I'm joking with you? Are you mad? Yes, now. You stop! You stop! You stop!
Get out! I said get out! Stand up! Get out! Get out! Get out! Can you imagine? Oh my word. You mean you can actually cheated on me with this thing? Man, what do you guys really want? What is all this? How could you do this?
Madam! What's going on?
Who are you?
I'm your driver now.
My driver?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Where are we going to?
I don't know. You just came outside and just started walking away. Hey.
Where are we going to?
Madam, let's go home. We are going home. Madam, are you okay? Okay.
Am I shaking?
No, madam, you're active.
Are you sure?
You're active.
My head spinning.
Correct. Everywhere good. Hey. Madam, you're active. You're active.
Ibiagozo, have you come again? Are you here to borrow from me Another 2,000 naira. The one I gave you the last time, have you paid for it?
My son will give you the money. He's coming back today. My leg hurts. I need to buy some drugs.
And you want me to do what? Eh? You want me to do what I ask? You will wait. When your son comes, he will give you the money. From there, you take the money and go and buy the medicine. Hear me? I have customer to attend. Don't disturb me. Don't come here again. Are you hearing me? Inanum. Are you hearing me?
Yo, please. Please, yo. Please. Oyoyo.
Papa, are you okay?
Papa? No.
Let's go home.
I've been waiting for you.
Let's go home. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ekele, my son. If you can't find job in the city, why not come back to the village and continue farming? You who know how to climb palm trees. I mean, there is a lot of money in the village.
Papa, please. Just stop. If you know what I'm working on now, if you know the kind of work I'm putting into changing this family's status, you will not be telling me this thing. What is packing sand in the village? It's like you don't know your son. The kind of money I'm working on, the kind of something I'm working on, once it clicks, I can employ what is 500. I can even build refinery in this village. That is the level of what I'm working on. What is say palm tree? Papa.
You've been working on something since you left to the city last year. Leonum, look at me. I'm about to die.
Please. It's not about I've been working on something since you're about to die. It's not my fault, too. I don't know why why didn't you make money when you were young like me? Eh? Other men were out there making money, leaving assets for their children. You did not leave anything for me. Now you're putting pressure on me to go and will I steal? I'm working on something and very soon it will mature. You did not leave anything. The only thing you left for me is one small poultry with one turkey inside. Even the turkey didn't even last 2 months, it died. Is that what the father will leave for his child? Me, I don't want to go there. Let's just leave that one. Like I said, I'm working on something. Leave it there. Don't be telling me I've been doing it since.
Then, my son, do something. Help me.
Okay, I'm trying. Like now, for instance, coming back to this village, I planned myself. I came back with few dollars that I want to change and give to you. That one is enough.
Really?
The thought is what matters. Yes. It's Aboki that I'm waiting for. I've sent for Aboki.
Thank God.
Once he comes, I will change it. And you hold something. Me, I will hold some. And before you know, God will bless us. I'm trying, It's not easy. It's not easy anywhere. If you see what is happening in the city. Baba.
I don't come over.
How you there now?
Now you change them for dollar.
Oh, hey, na me. How much you dey change first? No be make you see am.
How much? 1.5 you dey change them for dollar now.
You say?
1.5 you dey change them for dollar, oga.
Which kind 1.5? You dey wine? Dollar na 1.550.
Oga na 1.5 you dey change them for dollar now for market. Dollar no get value now.
1.5.
1.5 you dey change them.
Now wetin I dey change am for this village?
You dey change am. You go change am make I dey go.
Na wow. First what city na 1.550. Oh, na check you get reach 300. Na 300 I want.
Na 1,000 I go change am for you.
No. So, at least if this one happens now, well, yeah, you chop drugs.
Why go give me this kind of money now?
You said now, waiting.
This are not the original dollar.
You the white. No. This one say no be original dollar.
Okay, this one not the original dollar now.
Meaning, well, you know who give me this? If you know who give me this money, you know go call am. They gonna who out. Person wey give me this money reach past Dangote.
Now wetin dey make am for me for face now? Okay.
Waiting. Why you dey throw money for my pocket now? Waiting be that one. You dey mad?
Why
you dey mad? Why you go call this money? Why I give you fake? You know who give me the money?
Now my papa dey mad.
Now your papa dey mad. You don't talk am. Now your papa dey mad. So waka for there.
What you talk
about? Craze.
Me.
You say waka go.
Me aboki?
Yes, waka. Dey mad.
Me
if you do anything, I go beat you for here. Ekene? Baba. Ekene? Again? Baba, where are you? Again? The world is turning on you. Again? Baba. What did Aboki do to my son? My eyes is turning like this. What? Your eye is turning like this. Your eye? Hi. Aboki! Baba. Baba. Again? The world. Aboki! Hey. Hey. Ekene? Hey. Aboki! Baba. Where am I? Hey. The world is turning on you. Hey.
Madam, how did it go?
How did what go? Where you just go?
Me, I know say na your baba getting you go to see. So
who tell you? Who tell you? Go and pour water for me. Throw like that my eyes. I know what you want to use my life.
Jamia, I don't understand. See, one woman there inside though, she said she be your auntie.
One woman? Why you not coming before you allow enter?
She said she come talk to you about your mom.
You don't feel call me. You don't feel call me before you allow her. You dey mad? You dey mad?
She said she's your auntie.
Better go and tell her that she leave now. Come back next week. I'm not around. I'm not around. Go and tell her now. Go and pour water for me. Make I use for my this. Open the kitchen door for me. Open the kitchen.
Sashita,
you dey mad though. You don't say that because you don't use it for. I don't want you. You know they go use it. You can't feel like saying you can talk to me anyhow. Madam, you can advise me, Abby.
Sorry, ma.
Go open the kitchen door for me.
Brother, if no be one thing, the kind beats where they for beat me for village. In fact, they for just tell me make I sweep the whole village.
She be that time where they tell me you learn better work. You say you learn better and work now for they make money.
No be about better and work. I don't know which kind of wahala like this.
But you say na shit you want they do. If you don't they make better money by now.
Na the girl I want they do streets now. Eh? Please have to collect better block from the guy. You need to see within this girl. This girl they chop life. This girl they chop life. She they use Kuwait's money take chop breakfast. She they use pounds chop lunch. I mean dollars. Dollars now she they use sleep now. Money there everywhere. If I walk that one na block with that. That one alone I feel buy these streets from beginning to end.
I see we give you fake dollar now you see they talk all these things. You just say that girl now wetin she talks say she be.
It be like you don't know her. Okay, don't worry. If she post anything just now she no post. If she post I go show you make you dey see doings. You get doings normally.
That because of that girl you almost leave violent. Violent will be better girl.
See where they vex me say I borrow money. I borrow money to buy that lunch. See that food with the chop. I don't even know sir I want to. Even my house rent self don't expire. I dey hide like this.
You need to start doing something. You really need to start doing something.
Oh. Now wow. While I really wear pants like this, so.
Hey babe, food is ready.
Okay, I dey come.
Alright.
Hold on, where did they go? Huh? Who you call Smalley? Anyway, I forgive you. I forgive you. Now you be the laundry man.
I want to see the owner of the house. No, the owner of the house.
Stand here now. Which kind of wala be this? I want to see the owner of the house. Hi! My gender with pride now 5 and 6. Had they ask you something, they ask you did they tell me
crazy? They ask me as waiting, as who will employ me, I be the owner of the house. You dey crazy?
Hey!
Come on.
See, you stand here. Who you think say you be? See, make I advise you. I want to tell you something. Any man wey no get money, no suppose get pride. Because if you get pride, you go lose favor. But because today you have sinned against the law of loyalty, you go stand for here.
Yeah, I want her. I go kill you. Make a mosquito. You dey crazy?
For my house.
Sir, you came.
Yeah. So I came. Wow. So it looks like you stay okay.
I'm coming.
Wow. Are you okay?
Guy, give me the key. Open this gate.
No disturb me, make a chop finish.
Open this gate. You just are like fully. Open this gate. I won't come up from here.
Which damn problem with this one? Wait. You never go school reach where them talk say observe table manner. Why you come distract me when I talk? Wait. Stop.
Bye. Give me the key.
Wait.
Mama, you can't believe who is here. Your Babon Kitty. And I think he's here to apologize.
How you doing in my house?
Mama, a man in love can do anything. Come, let's go and see him. Mama, come now, let's go and see him. Come.
What did I do you? If you just tell me say you dey hungry, make I give you food. Because I know say every hungry man is an angry man.
You don't know me, oh.
Who you be?
Come on, put this game, make I come up from
here. I
here.
know they open grass, you know green, make a chop, you know they go anywhere. But you carry your own mommy and get young.
Oh, it's not.
Wow, it got me, my father. It got me. Wait, what's happening? Yeah, okay?
What is he doing?
I don't know. In they come find work, come they check another thing.
What's going on here? What happened? What's going on?
Waiting they go, my madam they talk to you, I go arrest you. My madam they talk to you.
Hello, Julius Berger. See, I don't understand. Sometimes you make me think like you're breathing from your anus. How can you be doing the same thing over and over again? I've gotten like, if I'm not mistaken, maybe like 20 to 29 houses from you. By now you should know my taste. What kind of house did you send for me to buy? It's the house I'm staying, oh. It's not my dog's house, oh. Because maybe you're mistaking it for my dog's house. It's the house that I'm staying. Please, just take a look at it. I told you I need a house with a helipad. That'll fly and land. Is there any helipad? Please, just check what you said to me, and if you really want me to buy the house, you send me what I want to buy, please. Not this.
What do you mean by you want to buy this building? Huh?
Well, the thing is, what am I even discussing with? You're just a tenant. You don't know what is happening around you. This house is for sale. It's distress sale. So my agent sent it for me to buy. So I want to check maybe if it can entice me to buy. But so old fashioned for me. So old fashioned.
Hello? Daddy? Why would you put up this building for sale? I told you I will move out when I'm done with my mansion. I'm not done with my mansion, so why would you put it up for sale? Wait, you didn't do that? Hold on, I'll get back to you. So, who sent you? Who told you this house is up for sale?
That's what I'm saying now. My agent sent there's a distress sale. So, but I'm just looking at it from another angle. It looks like it's not this house, so okay. There's a mistake somewhere.
Okay, no vex. No be work you come find for here.
That's the problem with you because you don't know me. Because I just brought myself down to your level like this. That is why you think me and you were mates. Hi. You don't know me because I'm just taking it easy with you. My friend, open this gate. Let me get out of here. It's not.
Wait, this one when you dey talk, hope say your papa no be commissioner.
You are in for it.
Hi!
You okay, insulted me. You're in for it.
Let's do it this way. The commissioner of police. Let's know what's going on here. Okay.
My madam is up for it.
I need to know who sent you here.
That's the thing I'm saying. That's not it calling. The thing now is that I actually zoomed it in very well, and I noticed that it's not this house. The house that they told me has helipad, so it's not this house. It must be the other mansion down the road. So,
sir, are you sure you got the right address?
That is it,
you
my sister.
You must be joking because this house is quite unique. It is different from other buildings here in this estate. So what do you want?
That's the thing I'm saying. My agent must have mistaken this house for another house that I want to buy. I'll just go down the road.
Calm down. I understand, madam. See, let me tell you waiting this up. Anytime when man see fine women like this, them go they lose control. They not go know themselves again.
Shut up and open the gate. Don't be stupid.
Okay,
can you tell him to open the gate since I'm in the wrong address?
Laundry man, open up to my madam. Say you they find work.
Shh! Shut up, Tozo. Do you know who he is? This is the son of the ex-governor you're talking to. Mind the way you talk so you don't land into trouble.
I want that. I want that.
I'm in for it, yes.
Please.
Tozo, go back to your post. Just a minute.
Okay, madam. You are not.
It is quite obvious you are here to apologize. So why don't you just go straight to the point and stop pretending?
Okay. No need to beat around the bush. You don't catch me, oh. You don't catch me. Nah, apology. I came to apologize to you. So don't take whatever happened to her too. It's just that, sometimes my schedule is always I don't know how to multitask. That's the problem with me. Sorry.
So where's the flower? Or expensive liquor?
Oh. Flower? That one is not a problem now. I will just order for expensive flower and bring it.
Okay, maybe till then we'll talk.
See, I'm thinking if at least we can sit and discuss. I've told my father and my mother about you, and they're so excited, and they would really love to meet you. Actually, my family loves me dealing with my co-class, class to class, upper class in the upper chamber. So if we can.
That's very nice. So I think I can just listen to you probably when you come with your expensive items.
Expensive items.
You dey form, wetin you no be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we no say nothing come out. You dey call mele, call bele wawa.
What did you just do?
What did I just do?
You've been here for some nights wishing you would see him again, and he's here now. You just walked out on him.
So, what do you now want me to do? I should go there and show him that. Besides, I don't like the way you are interrogating me these days. I don't know if you're my madam or I'm still your madam. Why are you intruding in my lifestyle? This is what I want to do. So make way for me. Leave me like that.
I never said I'm your madam. We both know you've been dying for him.
So why are you not questioning me?
I'm not questioning him. See, imagine the ex-governor inviting you to his house for dinner. Check him now, Mama.
See, this is the main point here now. You're looking down on me.
I'm not.
No, it's obvious. I'm looking. You don't need to say it.
I can't.
You're looking down on me because what do you mean by ex-governor? Ex-governor's son. Meaning what? What does he have that my father don't even have? What?
I'm not looking down on you.
See, let me tell you something. His father used to come to my house, our family house, to beg money from my father. Let me shock you. We used to give them food. Sometimes they would just go bankrupt. We used to give them food. That name is just for packaging. Ex-governor, so they don't have anything. I have money more than they do. So you don't have to let me see, just get out. Get out!
Sorry.
Nonsense. You're looking down on me. This is just see finish. I don't like it.
That's it, babe. I don't know what kind of temptation is this one. Oh. I always tell this man to rest all the time. Every time he'll be going to the farm, as old as he is. That is it. They told me he swallowed fertilizer and collapsed in the farm. No, not this. The other one is nail that he swallowed, but this one is fertilizer. Just tell me, is he a kid? Is he a kid? Now they want money. Where do I get this money from? I
am so sorry. Don't worry. Your dad will be fine, okay? He will get better, surely.
Please. He said before they commence treatment, they will have to pay. I don't even know how to gather the money. Please.
You know what? I will send you 200,000 naira. Yeah, right now.
You say? I should send it. Okay, I'll send it now. Hi, babe. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Come on, babe. You don't have to be thanking me like this. I do it with all pleasure, okay? And they calling me do it already.
I must thank you. Do you think it's easy? Thank you.
Where is he?
Madam,
Where is he?
Then don't go.
Why did you let him go? Why?
Madam, see, even the Bible says, whatever the Father has not planted shall be uprooted. So I believe it is the work of the Spirit. So I have no power to stop the work of the Spirit.
You're just a fool. Big fool.
What? Yummy. I don't even like him.
So, babe, you gave that idiot another money. Why will you do that? Why?
His father collapsed. Would I have allowed him to die?
Must his father always collapse in the farm? Must he? Come on, this is a guy that his concubine came to the house and fought you. And now you are giving him money instead of you to make him pay for disrespecting you. I'm not happy with this, though. I'm not happy.
Babe, I mean, we are lovers. We are bound to have issues. Why do you have a problem with couple having troubles and being in disagreement and all that? Wait, do you hate him that much?
Are you being serious? So because I'm advising you means I hate him? No problem. I won't advise you again. If you like, climb a rock tree and fall in love. If you like, walk in the mud for him. You will soon see the end.
Babe, he's my man. He's in trouble. I mean, money trouble, and I can assist him. There is nothing wrong with that.
There is no big difference between a dog and him.
But I love him, and he's my money.
It's your money, no problem. Spend it.
Yes,
spend it.
Yeah, I'll spend it on him. I love him, and it makes me happy to help him out. So you should be happy for me.
Don't tell me that. Happy for what? You hear love. Love this, love that. Village town. Love this, love that. I love my man this, my man that. You've not gained anything since you entered this useless relationship. You love
If
the
I
village
think you need a man in your life, you lack love. I think that's the issue here.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. I need a man.
Sorry. I got this. The expensive flour and the drink.
You should have come earlier before now. I have a guest from London and I can't just...
But at least you keep it inside. It's for you. You keep it inside first now. You and your guests. Your London guests.
But this, it looks way cheap.
No, colorful flour like this. Of course, it's express that I paid them to bring.
It's plastic.
It's plastic flour. It's plastified flour. This one is this thing, the drink.
I will just have to give my gate man and probably my PA. Well, thanks for that.
Drink one, how much buy? I say we give kids man. You know, they never buy you a maid one. Make this money drop first. You will know me. Make the money drop. It's very cheap. It's quite cheap. If I know you like this, can you imagine? Say you give my drink kids man.
You dey form, waiting you know be wawa. You dey try make you blend, now so you can't dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we no say nothing come out. You dey call mele, call bele wawa. All the cars, all designers now boropos. Scammer they pray to scam the scammer.
The thing is, I noticed I cannot go where I'm thinking of you. I'm mistakenly jab trailer. Because of carried away of your love, the esophagus, you will not understand. I want you to stay where you are.
There's no problem. So let me just get you something to eat.
Okay.
Tata!
What to eat? Do I really need food? I don't really need
Tata!
Yes. Do I really need something to eat?
Get him something to eat.
Anything. Not your seeing you alone is I'm full. Even if she brings food and her soup, I won't even eat it.
What's that?
No, you won't know it. It's not the kind of.
Okay, it's Nigerian food.
Yeah, I ate it one time in Nigerian restaurant in Jericho. I cannot forget when I even saw that wall that fell down.
Really?
Don't worry, I'll take you places. We'll start by taking you out tomorrow. There's this my favorite bar that I like to visit. They sell pastries, shawarma, name it, just anything.
No, I don't do that. I mean, pastries, what's that? It's so cheap. It's a cheap drink. I don't like pastries drink.
No, I think you're missing something. Pastries is not drink, is.
What are you not telling me? What are you? I don't understand. No. Are you trying to call me illiterate?
No, no. How can I call you illiterate? I'm just trying to tell. Maybe you're mistaking it for something else. Pastries is more like snacks or.
Who told you that? Don't say that outside. I mean, you embarrass yourself. Pastries is a drink, a cheap one at that. In Spain, I do drink it in Spain. There, we used to drink it, but that was back then when I had nothing. But now, I can't take pastries again. I can't drink it because you don't want to take me back to my old life.
You they tell me.
No, I can't.
Pastries is not so maybe.
Have you gone to Spain before?
No, I've not.
So why are you arguing with me?
Oh no, it's not like I'm arguing with. I'm just saying that maybe okay. Let's just leave it. Maybe it's pastries in Spain is different from pastries
I
here.
don't like arguing when I know that I am right. Okay, just end it there. Pastries is a drink, a cheap drink in Spain.
Okay. One day, me I would like to visit Spain. Oh.
You should.
Ah.
To be more exposed.
Poor man picking. Poor man picking is suffer. Hmm? No, I say pauper. Poor people. They're not even aware that there's anywhere in Spain that they have pastries. Oh. Oh wow. It's fine. I would have said dining, but it's fine. Eat it.
Hello? Who gave you my number?
Hello, Chimma. Chimma. Okay, so you don't want to talk, Abi? Huh? You have become dumb. God will punish you. Thunder will scatter down your mouth.
Okay, I remember. I'm so sorry. So I just need like 7 containers to just drop tomorrow. I'll send you the money. That's all in your account. I'll send you the money.
You will fall from that container and break your necks. In short, that container will pieces your body. That container will divide into 2. Ajonwa.
Okay, 50 million. Okay, I'm going to send you 100 million. Just send me your account. Alright, 100 million. Okay, you have a sister? Oh, I'll just send you 500 million. Right now. Alright. Hope you're enjoying it.
It's manageable. The chef is not doing bad.
No, she's not.
She's trying.
I pay her very well, so she has to do that. I pay her like 1 million every month.
1 million every month.
I mean, she's trying. Maybe next month I'll just increase it to 5 million.
Hey, she doesn't want. You don't want to. Anyway.
Okay. So even my pay, this is my assistant. I pay her 5 million every month.
5 million every month.
Yes, she came yesterday and she said I should increase her money. So next month I'm going to increase all of her money. Yeah.
So hey. Okay.
Why do you act like that? Are you okay?
Oh, of course, I'm okay. I'm just thinking how generous you are.
Oh.
You just, I want to be that generous too.
You should.
I'll just review the salary of my people, and maybe I'll start paying them 10 million. 10 million. So that's it. I'll just tell them to start the work. I think I'm done.
Wow, that's nice.
I think I'm done.
Okay. Tata! Come and carry this food away!
Eh? No, like, you can come carry it later now.
Oh, later.
So,
do you mind?
Tata!
Get us some
Can go back to, just get us glasses.
Yes.
Let's celebrate to greatness.
Yeah. The 10 million, how many workers do you have?
I have about, I have my gardener. The person changing light.
This girl is wicked. You are wicked. Where did she learn this from? Huh? Take care of your parents. Send the money your madam gave to you to give to us. No way. A child I carried 9 months in my womb. Gave birth to her, she suckled this my breast. I watched her grow. He's doing this to me. You will die. Thunder will scatter you. Omerekere fuanya.
Oh. You have really hosted me today. You have really hosted me.
I have a shock for you. I'm going to shock you.
Should
I shock you?
Shock me. Shock me. I know what you can do. Is everything you need help? Easy. Get to a grip of yourself. Sorry. Wait.
Sir, I am a shocker.
Yeah, shocker.
I am a shocker. Take Kardashian. This is the document. This has documents. You use it and that should take everything. I'm done with my mansion and I will move in next week. So.
Ewo. Sorry. Jeez. You gave me this house. Hey! Oh. Hey!
Yes, I'm a shocker. I shock you.
You have shocked me. You have shocked my generation.
Can have it.
What? God, thank you.
Your new house. I will buy you Lambo. I'll buy you a Lambo. I'll take you to make this. So take it. It's yours.
Please come and sit down. Let's celebrate this. Come, let me help you.
Next week, I'm going to bring you to my mansion. We are going to take one part in the mansion and you take it for yourself too.
Good. You know what?
You dey call mele, call bele, wawa. All the cars, all designers, now boropos. Scammer, they pray to scam the scammer, just they play. Fake life, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh, na so you be, oh. Fake life, fake.
Hi. It seems you are going out. I got to this.
Jimmy, you don't have to be doing this all the time. I told you this already. You don't need to be buying me gifts. I'm not interested. I don't need them. Please.
Listen, I am not trying to buy you my gifts. The thing is, I buy gifts for people I love and respect.
But I don't love you. I'm in love with someone else, and I told you this from the onset. Please stop doing this, okay?
still ask you something. Because my madam never tell me say you go do anything for this house. Wetin dey go on now? I am the chief security officer of this place. So I demand to know everything where they go on for this place.
You fit catch thief.
Huh?
You fit catch
He
thief.
be like say you don't know me. Go ask for my village. Kiki Krotowo. I was the #1 vigilante. And they catch anything catchable.
I like that village where you talk. Na that village you go now make you continue the work. You don't need your services here anymore.
It shall not stand because the Bible says what that it shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. Genesis chapter 1. Okay, what do you do?
They use your size measure the step where they go use climb. Step is 4 feet.
Because they like say me and you they train.
The crew will be here. I'll push it out. The step will be here. Hey! You know say I been tell una say I go make am. Abi?
Yes, you talk am.
I been tell una say I go pick, abi?
Yes, you talk am.
I been tell una say I go hammer. I talk am, abi I no talk am.
You talk am. You talk am.
I want know if I don't know, if I don't forget. I been tell una say I go collect, abi?
You talk am.
Abada God don't do am. From today, for this compound, una go dey call me God did.
Wow.
God did! I know hear am well. God did! I know hear well though. God did! This side loud pass this side. God did! Make una call me Pika Pika. Pika! Pika Pika. Pika! Pika Pika. Pika Pika. Bros, they happy for me now. That's all. Pika Pika. Pika! Pika Pika. Pika! God did.
But you never tell us wetin happen.
Wetin happen now? Play that they look me less for this compound. I wetin I find out. No, they ask me that question. They know they leave wetin they write for motor. Enter motor first.
Make I dey drink so.
Your concern supposed to be where the motor they carry you go. Make it carry you reach there. Na this side don't carry us.
What's going on?
Who could drink be Ekene again? I know they like that thing.
Enjoy.
God did. Let me drink.
Now you be chairman.
You know say you know they good make person come. Where that landlord sef? Where landlord dey?
He dey come. Don't worry. I don't call him.
You know say in the fee say na. Make you tell us say na landlord he be no be God o. You understand? Nobody know tomorrow.
God did.
God did. In fact,
God
did.
did. God don't do am.
God don't do am.
You don't pick o.
Hey.
Let's see. If you come here now, I go put am for him body woto. I go tell am say omo landlord, forget that landlord o. That one I just
Wow.
that one I just
Good afternoon.
But
Ekene, my madam Choko, she's not fit.
Just they go first, they go. Hey, make una dey prepare to vacate the house because I want to do some renovations. My people they come here very soon. Yep, very very soon. No more than a waste time. Just dey pack, small. They come out. Yeah?
She's not feeling well.
Get out of here!
They say make you dey go. Go.
Don't like that.
Dey here. They say no one go.
God did no vex.
No vex.
Like this guy thing.
Ekene,
Wait, what's up?
can we talk outside?
Wait till me talk outside. Why did this guy we talk outside? He dey command me. Come, if not because of that 100K, don't worry. Money dey. I go.
You know be the money I dey talk about. It's not the money.
Hi.
It's not the money.
What you dey talk about? I don't give you the money. Calm down. Everywhere good.
Not be the
Everywhere good. Yeah?
God did. Landlord don't show. Oga landlord. Oga landlord.
Landlord. Welcome.
What are we celebrating?
God don't do am for am. Na God did now.
You know say I just dey look you. You don't know why I dey look you. You dey feel say because you build this house where they sell cement 5 naira. Person no go hear word. You know say na landlord you be no be God. All the insult wey you insult me for this life, I go tell you say I go do you back. I go embarrass you. I go embarrass you. They tell me this one. Sure you don't see am now. Everywhere don't change.
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Billionaire they talk. They tell billionaire excuse you. I know they respect money.
It's okay, Ekene. Yeah, calm down.
So make her calm down.
Just calm down, yes.
You know say that because of you.
I know.
And because of this my man with the if not I go put am for your body woto.
No, put am.
And so, is my rent ready?
I dey follow you, they talk, they say, Shaifa. I dey tell you, they tell me she's already.
No.
Wait. It's okay. They talk rent for my head. It happens. Go deep. Make I just give her one. Yes. I just give her one. You know, say.
Hey. Why is it not?
Come here, come.
Thank you. Hey, God, you know you walk.
Where you dey drag me? Na house owner be o. Why you dey drag me like this?
Why are you being so arrogant?
Guy, you see this God he don't do am finally.
Nothing happen.
God don't do am finally. Who you dey look like this now? I be duplex owner. I dey tell you, 7 rooms duplex. Na me dey. Na. If I go down road and say, my pikin collect, you don't try.
Where they see 7 duplex from?
Wait till they tell you. Come this side, man. They look you. You see Choco. You see that house. That house where she dey stay before. Here one mansion when Papa they build. You see that one no get swimming pool, no get all those things. Yeah. So Papa come home, they build one massive mansion for her. As she don't finish that one, and she say she don't want to stay this place where she dey stay now. Say she dey go over to that mansion. Say instead of where the mansion just dey like that, nobody dey. Say why not? May just carry and give me. I think say na play. She go inside and carry this document, the house document, everything. Give me. No be miracle be that.
So because Choco give you duplex, now they happy. What do you think to even use?
I don't understand. They say Choco give me now they happy. What's that for they do? You be like say you be winch. You don't person don't ever give you cotton wool before. Now person give me house, the same man not they happy. Yes. You normal. What did they use house do? Tell me wait see. If I don't live inside, if I don't want to live inside, I feel sell am.
Go sell am. If you sell am, what you want to use the money to do?
What I want to use the money do? I want buy hippopotamus, put them inside hippopotamus. Like say you no get sense.
You know you say that duplex cost, it go reach like millions. Now you want sell.
If I go sell am, use the money do? I go sell am. If I want, I go take and start business now. What did they use selling? You know they no say really say they give money.
Which business you want start with that kind of money? Which business you want start? What are you?
Business is there now. You know they say restaurant people every day person must eat. You get every day person must eat. If you like make you do you must chop. So me I dey think restaurants. Maybe I feel they sell jollof rice.
You go sell
see a jollof rice where they sharp fried all this just my own go this special. Now block
you go sell property worth 100 million to buy Nigerian jollof. Do you see why I said you've left the village, but the village has not left you? How can you use 100 million naira to start Nigerian jollof? You've not thought of doing change of ownership. In fact, let me see that document.
You know, they say I go use all the money put for jollof now. And the try tell say na restaurants me I go start. Restaurant they give money, you don't know. You know how much would they spend for food?
Waiting be this.
Now the document with that, sir.
I beg, You know that 100,000 when I give you that time? I beg, take. You send that can't give me back.
Which kind of jealousy be this one? Wait for the happy for your friend. They tell me say make I give. Which kind? This guy na jealousy o. Na jealousy.
Chris, see, if you don't have money to pay for this thing, better leave here. Run o.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? I can see that you have paid for everything.
You can enjoy yourself.
I don't invite my friends, my neighbors. They are coming.
No worry, no wala, Enjoy.
You know, will I take 1 or 2?
Still take.
What you talk? If I say it makes sense.
What makes sense? You mad?
You get money.
You know, you see all this.
You get money to pay.
The guy don't pick. If you know it, this guy pick, no be small.
Me, I no get shishi. You see this?
Come on, drink.
I don't get money to pay. Make when I dey here,
what did they try do? What did they do?
What did
they do? Come! What? Come on. You be woman. That one they go, you know what they you want go see one or two persons there. See that book drink, God did. We are waiting for you. Don't mind there. Hey. Is it this one? Let me mix it here. No. God did. What are you saying?
But even say you know like jollof, now they say jollof. Maybe you go tell me now, maybe just to just walk out like that. Or maybe I will begin sell more and more. My more fish go down, egg go down. Or I go dey sell okpa. Since okpa no dey this area. Business idea too. I go just dey sell okpa. Na maybe.
This is nice.
Hey, sorry, I'm late.
You're not late. Sit. Hey, you're welcome. You understand? Is that there? Take. Make yourself comfortable. God did. Ekene, he has paid for everything. He said we should enjoy. Now this celebration will stay till dawn.
What happened? What did you do?
He said that he picked.
Pick what?
Yes!
Hey, I understand.
Anyone? God did! God did! Okay.
Calm down.
Make una dey celebrate, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, they come. Make I see my contractor, my business partner.
God did.
The more I celebrate, nothing dey happen.
Pika! We will enjoy today. Is this one? Okay.
Wow.
God did it. Pika!
I know the job.
What?
I know the job.
You need to eat now so that you take your medicine.
I know the job. Go give me water. Cold water.
What are you going to eat now? You need to take the medicine.
Give me cold water, make a pour for my head. I know they get myself.
Cold water.
If possible, give me block. Give me water. Oh.
You see that boy that has deceived you into drinking. Have you seen it? Now where is he?
Give me water, only water. Only water, pour me water.
Can see the ambience. Just view the ambience. If you see am, you go know say it's a GRA house I'm giving to you. You understand? So just there is nothing to talk about the house. This house you're seeing, 2 minutes from the airport, 2 minutes from the international conference, 2 minutes from the beach, 2 minutes from everywhere you want to go. Even 2 minutes, 2 minutes, everything. If you look from upstairs, you will see GRA. So everything is the way it's supposed to be.
Okay, I beg no vex. Before we talk about the ambience, wetin dey go on here?
Come on for here. They follow your landlord, they talk. You know they fear.
Who gonna be my landlord again? Now my madam be my landlord.
But I beg no mind. It's now one Calabar boy where we meet for a come. So he dey run mad. We just employ and we dey help the family. Nothing serious. So what do you think about the house now?
Yeah, it's nice.
So me, I'm thinking if I should sell up or sell down. But because you're kind of person, I know you like all this view to be having amazing view.
Yeah.
I'll sell upstairs for you. From here, you can see everywhere. You can see the airport, even when plane wants to land, even when they postpone the flight, you see it. This way, you don't need to be running around to know if flight has landed. From here, you can see your flight has landed.
Okay, so can I go upstairs and inspect the upstairs?
What are you expecting again now when we have already... I've sent you the pictures now on WhatsApp.
Oh, let me see the document.
That's this thing now.
What be that?
What thing happened?
Who na be? Stand here, who na be?
Come. Were you the one I spoke to on the phone?
Yes, sir.
The chef and the cook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, wait for me there. So, my brother, we are good,
Okay,
yeah?
let me...
You're happy, right? You know what I was telling you? On WhatsApp, you were saying something. Are you sure? I said, leave talk first and come. Come and see with your eyes.
You got me. Even my wife this morning,
Yeah.
she got me too.
Really?
Yeah, this is hilarious.
She will...
Seriously.
Oh, your wife is Hillary?
I like your sense of humor.
I like the way you're laughing
bro.
because
I
I gave you what you want.
I like you, bro.
So which account? Let me send you the account.
Don't worry. I'll see you later, okay? Nice one.
I thought we agreed we are agreeing sealing the business today. You know, say you don't get money, you price house. I don't like all these things.
Oga, we are still waiting.
Please come here. Don't they speak too much English for you? You say you're the cook.
Maid. I'm the chef, sir.
Go back first. Go, so I'll be seeing the maid and chef. Very good. You say you're who?
I'm chef, sir.
Come, me, I don't want chef. What I want is cook. It's boldly written there, cook. Because all this chef now, you come here and you be frying black onions, putting peas and all this. Me, I don't want that. What I want is cook. That can use oil, ogiri, you know ogiri. Thank you. Use ogiri and do better or have soup for me and bitter leaf. Pound yam. Don't be doing all this cook, you sprinkle, you do all this salt. I don't want it to.
Yes, sir.
You're ready to be a cook.
Yes.
Very good. You.
Maid, sir. Yes.
Maid, you have to be up and doing. It's not by 3 a.m. in the morning. 2 a.m. if I call you, you use run and come and answer me. Make sure the compound is very, very clean. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Not those that you be snoring. They'll be calling you, don't come and answer. Maid, turn, let me see. Maid. You got that. Okay, turn, let me see. Okay, cook. All right, it's fine. More like you people have passed the test. So tomorrow, you start work. I'll make sure your uniforms are ready by tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It's fine.
Thank you, sir.
At least 1 yard can size both of you, eh? Let's go. I think I have
Okay. Now let's talk like man to man. Let's talk as matured men.
You and who be man to man?
Me and you, waiting they go on here.
Man to man, I be man to infant.
Eh?
Man to kindergarten. I'm up for no dey care. Yeah, you mad.
But I can.
Oh, you are
Thank God,
man to man.
Thank God you're here. Yeah. My madam, she's shivering and she's feeling very hot. Please, let's take her to the hospital.
Is that what you're running out to do? Go and buy Gbogbo Lishe for her now. Give her Gbogbo Lishe one shot, she'll be fine. Give her Gbogbo Lishe or you buy paracetamol for her, she'll be okay now. Is it not just her body's hot?
Very
hot
hot
body now, it's a normal thing. Come. Listen, boy, listen. Some people, they are still coming here because this has sent this everywhere. So once anybody comes, find a way to call me and I'll answer.
But they can.
You understand what I'm saying? People like...
But they can. She's not feeling well. Didn't you hear me?
See, no be that won't be my problem here. The problem where I get now be say this young man want to sell this house. And this house get highest purchase.
Sell which house? This house.
You think that they lie? He don't carry one guy come, one tall guy that can slim. He can't show the guy document. He tell the guy say want to sell this house.
He no fit. Who dash him document?
See, he get waiting English people they talk. Then they talk say a stitch save 9. Make we tackle this thing now where the time still there.
A stitch save 9.
Yes.
No fit. He no fit. I beg help me back for her leg. Come sit down. Oh, she's feeling very good. Rush. Go now. Thank you. Close the gate very well, oh. you go?
He fly away.
But did they say you dey sick?
I dey sick. My mouth today sick. I tell you say I dey sick. My mouth today. I look sick to you. Does my mouth look sick to you?
No. You look sick.
Go and give me juice. Let me cool myself. Auntie, go and give me juice now. What is it? What is it now? Am I dragging anything with you? What's the meaning of this one now? Give me juice. You are looking at me like that. I don't understand. Ha! Until I fire you. Until I fire you.
Your eye dey enter me.
Hello. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, yeah.
Come and join me.
Okay. Stepped out now. Yes.
I'll look for you.
Really? Alright. It's okay. It's okay. Drink! Let's enjoy ourselves. Sit down! Nothing there here. Hey, Gordy! Yeah.
If
you don't drink, I will finish everything here. I'm ready. I'm Gordy. It's not easy. It's not easy to pick. Hey!
Only you, how many they carry? Carry one, keep one first.
Okay, your head will knock. Your head will knock. Chill. Take this drink. This drink.
Which one?
Calm down.
Ha! Gordy! Drink this drink. Finish the drink.
How far now?
I have been calling you and you've not been taking your calls.
Oh, you they call me. You know, say this period, I know they get strength, they pick up. Time, no, they do to the pick calls like that. Because I've been very busy. I've been running around. I just finished one meeting now. So even now, if I go in, I'm going out for another meeting. Meeting everywhere. My life is like a meeting now.
Is that what you're telling me?
Why are you talking? Even this one while they talk to you now, the time they reduce. I have a meeting. So we'll talk later now.
No. Can we talk inside, please?
I know.
Like right now. Why have you been avoiding me?
Which one is why have you been avoiding me? Is this what you said you want us to talk about? Eh?
Is it not important?
It's not about being important. I've told you this now. I have a lot going on. You get? I have a whole lot going on. You're making me repeat it. When we've already talked about it. It's not so many things on my head. It's not easy on me. That's the thing.
Again, why are you treating me like this? Is it because you know that I love you so much? You're not available. You're not emotionally available. Only when you financially need me, that's when you come crying.
No. If it's that one, hold it there because you're now diverting to another place. You're not diverting to another place. Eh? If it's that one, you tell me, or me, I'll give you the money you gave me. Which one is when you need financial? Where are you driving at? I don't like that too.
I beg you, pardon.
Let me give you back.
You called 2 million naira just.
2 million naira is just as it stands now.
Is that how ungrateful you are?
Call your account number. Let me. In fact, you know what? Just send it to my WhatsApp, or send it to SMS, or just send it to WhatsApp. I'll just send the money to you.
Like, you know, why are you doing all this? Now tell me, why are you doing all this? I remember when you were chasing me, you were begging, you promised me heaven and earth, you said a lot of things. I rejected a lot of people because of you. And now that I'm in love with you, you treat me with so much disdain. Why?
It's not disdain. Please, let's talk about this later. For now, my head is full. Nothing is even entering.
You know what? I will leave. But don't come begging. Because I will never take you back.
You dey form, waiting you no be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa.
Like I dey make mistake for dates. Wetin be today's date, abeg?
Today is 1st of April. Any problem?
Abeg, wetin dey always occur for 1st of April?
Na celebration.
Celebrate a new month now, indeed. So,
Hey,
celebration everywhere.
no.
Hey! God did!
Hey, whoa!
He don't drop, right? He drop, abi?
But I be like saying na my life na him drop like this, so. Hey, whoa! Hey, whoa! Hey! God! Why now? Why you not read that? Hey!
You are shaking.
Hey, you! I can sit down first. Hey!
What's happening? Are you crying?
Hey! Hey, whoa!
Ah, tears of joy.
Tears
My
of joy.
brother, wait till you pick no good. Congratulations.
Wetin I pick no good at all.
Wetin
I pick no good. Wetin I pick no good. It's fun. Hey!
What's happening now? Wait.
Let's celebrate now.
Wait, I want to. What's happening? What's be the problem?
Hey, wetin I pick no good though.
Let's see pick no good. I will talk.
Cheers.
Hey! Cheers!
God go surprise you. Your head dey burst.
Yes.
Chai!
Eh?
No be drink I wan make na my brain I wan cool down. Go find ice block from abeg. I wan put am for here, be like my brain dey go back. I wan make I just keep am for my head make e cool.
Ice block. Ha! God did. Leave ice block. I know God did it for you.
Na madness, no be ice block. Come rush.
Make we enjoy this money now. God did.
Just go bring the ice block. Make I just play see abeg.
Are you alright? I missed your call.
Why does your friend treat me with so much disdain? Why does he treat me with no respect, no value? Why?
But what did he do this time around?
Not to worry. I don't want to talk about him again. I want you to help me tell him to please return my money. The 2 million I borrowed him. He should please return it.
Don't worry, you know what? I'll talk to him.
Not to worry. You don't have to do that anymore. I am done. I am tired of all this. I don't want it anymore. I don't want this. I am tired of suffering. Just tell him to return my money for me, okay? Thank you.
Why your hands they shake? God has blessed you. Why don't you want to pay your rent? Are you not selfish?
God, I beg, hell they pay me now. If I talk, cardiac fear arrest me, I beg. I beg.
If you live here without giving me the house rent, put it at the back of your mind that you don't have an apartment in this house anymore.
Beg, the landlord, I beg, they come first, I will come.
See how you're shouting your head. Eh? Why you go follow that boy drink?
See, don't talk to me like that, I beg. Make I no vex for you, don't talk to me.
Now take water now. You'll be sleeping for 17 hours.
I think. Oh.
Sorry, Hindu.
My head was bad.
Let me pour the water.
Oh.
Any amount, even if it's small.
Let me go call him. Let me go call him. Tell him my head is spinning.
He's going to call him now, but he said I should get out. He said he's not coming.
Go and call him. I'm dying here.
He said he's not coming.
What happened? Huh?
Does it look like it's happening? Sure, you gave her
Anyway, sorry, honey. There's something that it's very, very confusing to me. I don't know if it's from my eyes, but I'll just say let me come and confirm. Maybe because what I'm seeing is a pre-paradise. Is that what you people call here?
What is written there?
April. I'm seeing April. I'm seeing food.
That's nice. April that we are in. That is April food. Yeah, use your hand and cover that April.
Wait, I don't. If I cover it, it's full now.
Full now, full, complete and full.
Wait. You say? Come, look. I'm not your mate, oh. What's that supposed to mean? Eh? Why would you give me a document and I'm out there telling everybody that you gave me a house? So it's April Fool.
I told her to come and call you. What did you tell her? Okay, so if we marry, I told you what like this is how you want to be treating me if you finally marry. Eh? That's unfair.
Which one that's unfair? Is that what she told you? Did I tell you get out as in get out? Or I told you to get out and I want to go and call ambulance? Is that what I told you?
Get out!
It's your father that they will use the ambulance to carry. What kind of nonsense is that? This is getting to another level. I don't like insult at all.
It's me that don't like insult. Why would you give me a document? You tell me April Fool. What kind of April Fool is that?
I have this real document here. I just wanted you to come back and I'll see the way you react. And this is the way you want to react.
No, it's me that don't like insult. If it's about that one, it's me that don't like insult. Because I'm not begging for a house. You just told me you went and brought document. I told me I should collect house. Don't be doing that too. That is very wrong. How can you be joking with my destiny? And I'm out there telling everybody that is wrong.
What do you mean by your destiny?
Destiny, of course. We live by destiny. For me to have.
I'm not going to give you the document again, okay? I'm going to give it to someone else. I'll give my just leave my house and don't come back again.
Wait first. It's not that I'm begging you. Look, let me tell you something.
Oh, beg, get out. She say make you leave. Oh, yeah, bye.
Which one did you get out? Why
she say get out.
Husband and wife, don't do quarrel. They
quarrel
and they make up.
But I went to call you when she was not feeling well. You said that she get out.
I didn't say, even if I said get out, would you come and now be telling her that get out?
Nah, she be my madam.
Please, I don't like
Hey! Okay. With due respect to your personality, please get out before my madam go vex.
Seriously?
I said, with due respect to your personality, please get out.
If I match you like
you get mine
match
me because I dey play with you. You know who I be? Go to current panike, you go hear of me. You know who I be? You come match me. Try me again.
So come on, get out of here. Are you okay? Come on, go back to the gate.
If your man cross this place,
you say?
I cross this place again. Go in, cross here again. Oh, so you are not a man.
No vessel. My eye no really clear for wetin I see inside. It be like na my load na in the outside though.
I locked my house. Your load is at the back of the house. And let me tell you, I don't want to see you in on around here anymore.
Oga landlord, you never reach like that. Na small play wey me and you play now. Na prank. You know, I be wan know how you go react. Like a father to me.
See. If I come back and meet you in this house, you will have yourself to blame.
Oga landlord, you're like a father figure. Oga landlord, I beg. I don't get where I won't go. I beg, sir. Sir. Oga landlord, I fall. I won't fall now. Oga landlord, I beg.
God did! Hi! You see, you really shock us today. Like you don't give us drink, everybody don't drink, we don't drink, our eye don't do too. This God will do it for you, make it do it for me.
Amen. You go really do it for me.
Yes! You go dey pick, they go. You see that thing where you pick, you go dey pick up, they go. God did! Hi! It makes sense.
But they go first.
No, hi! You think on how you go pick more? Hi, I trust you. Picker! Wetin happen now? More? Wait, now pick! Bed of pick and money. I mean, wait.
What are you doing here?
Please, if you talk inside, let's go inside.
Didn't you hear me? I said, what are you doing here?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Can we at least go inside and now we'll talk? Please, I'm sorry for everything that happened. Please.
Oh, you're sorry? All of a sudden, you are sorry. You think I don't know? So because your landlord has locked your things outside, you now remembered me. As usual, you're saving grace, right?
Please, it's just stupidity. Okay? I just wanted to test you to know if you really love me. If at the house, I don't care about the house. It's you that I care about. Those things are material things.
And now that you've tested me, do you think I love you?
Of course. I know you love me. And I know I've now believed that you love me. I was right when I was thinking of that.
Oh, please! When you're done with this shenanigans, just get out.
It's finished.
Mama, I think you should forgive him. He said he was suffering from hangover.
What is hangover?
I don't know. But my point is, try and hold on to him. Don't let these city girls take him away from you. If you leave him like that, they might snatch him from you.
Where is he?
He's outside.
Let's see.
She let him in. Okay.
Hangover has finished me. Hangover has dealt with me. I've not been getting myself since yesterday. Do you know that I lost $1 million in alcohol yesterday? Alcohol made me lose $1 million. It shall never be well with alcohol.
$1 million?
Yes.
If I see that kind of money like this, my life will just change.
Eh? You say?
Like if I see that kind of money, like I'll use it to do Saraka for children. It's just like
Saraka. A whole $1 million just for Saraka, just to share to.
you can just ask around. I've used $2 million for Saraka. It's just
Oh, people get money. You're rich, oh.
you can just
It's not even rich, you're wealthy.
ask around. I don't make mouth. Wealthy people don't talk. If I talk now, it's look as if I'm too proud of myself,
Of course, even without saying much, it's not by cho. But it's just that it's shocking to me that you use one, because people that do that is all these Big Gates, all those Obi Jackson, all those.
Actually, Obi Jackson is actually my father's younger brother, and we don't really relate that much because he has money, he has his own money, but I mean our own money is bigger, so they were dragging for one land like that. So my father refused to give him the land. That is just the problem. Obi Jackson is just a small boy to my father.
Obi Jackson. Hey God, I don't know.
So when are we going to see your parents?
Oh, Mpa. No, Mpa. Like it's our. I'm to know if my confirm from the gate man to know when he will be, because at the moment they went to Rome for burial, Pope burial, so they will be back very soon. But I will discuss depending on when you want. When do you want it?
Probably next week. Next week is fine.
By that time they will be back from Vatican City.
Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma. How was your journey?
My journey was smooth. I flew in a few minutes ago and decided to come see my daughter. You know I've missed her.
I know.
So how is she?
She's fine. She's inside. Yeah.
Let's go.
Sweetheart. Your mom is here to see you.
What? How did she know that I'm here? Wait, you told her?
No, I didn't. Maybe someone might have told her. She's outside.
Well, tell her I'm not here. Make up something.
You didn't mean? What's that supposed to mean? Your mom is here to see you and they're saying tell her make up something.
Tell her that I'm not here. I don't want to see her.
And I said you will see her. She's your mom, for God's sake.
What do you want?
Why are you still angry with your mother? I hope you know you are all I've got in this world.
Are you ready to tell me who my father is?
Baby, can we not talk about him?
Really? Can we not talk about him? Mom, don't you get? All my life, I have gone through this pain of people calling me a bastard. Do you know how many men that have rejected me because I can't even explain my roots? Who I am, where I come from, my origin. I don't know anything. I've been rejected from different men because of all this. Mom, is this hard for you to do? Tell me already.
The truth is, your father is no more.
And why don't I believe you?
Why would I lie to you? You know what? I got a whole lot of goodies for you from Canada. They are all in the car. Come, let's go get it.
Mom, you have lied to me all my life and you're doing that again. Please, I don't want it.
Please. I brought some goodies for you.
I don't want it.
And you, when are you taking me to see?
Oh, actually, I would have loved to take you this weekend, but my mom, she traveled to Canada.
Oh.
Yes, when she was traveling at home, it's excluded and it spoiled her screen guard. So, and they don't have the screen guard here in Nigeria, so she traveled to Canada to get it.
Canada just to get screen guard.
Yes, of course. And my dad just went there.
Hi. There's levels to this thing, though. There's levels to this thing called wealthiness.
Yes, my father went to India to just chill and greet a friend.
Oh my God. Even my father was saying he would go to India, but I think he would come to Nigeria before that India. We used to go to India, even when I was small. I went to India when I was 5. We used to do nei in the streets that time.
No, it's Korea. I like going to Korea. Whenever I'm on holiday, I just
Go to Korea. Nei, namaste. That time.
Opa, Anosmida.
Opa what?
Opa, you don't understand.
Oh, okay. It's better like that.
Okay, so why don't you want to venture into any business?
Business? Me doing business is like stressing myself. It's like I don't know the value of what I have. Why do business when my account is stocked? If you go to my dollar account, it's millions of dollars. Wow. If you go to my Naira account, I don't even know. If someone takes money there, I don't even know how much is there. I cannot even finish the money I have in my Naira account. So what am I stressing myself for?
Oh, that's very nice.
Everything has been made for me by my parents, so I don't need to work anymore.
Actually, that's how my account is. My account, I don't really know how much I have there. All I know is that I have enough money that even if I don't work for years, I'll
That's how my own is. I don't need to work.
Let me just call my agent to book my flight. I need to travel this night.
This night?
Yes, I want to go to the US this night.
We said we were going to see your parents.
Yes, I just want to have this. There's this their drink I love so much. I've been craving for this drink. I just want to go and have a taste, even if it's a sip.
Rich kid. Americans drink. Just go and drink it. Okay. The drink is not in Nigeria at all.
You can't see it anywhere in this Nigeria. It's one big drink like that.
A good day.
Ruby, you have to talk to your friend. She cannot be shutting me out. I've done everything a good mother would do to bring her girl close, to make her happy. Yet, she keeps making my life miserable. Do you know, as I speak, she doesn't even know where my house is. Yes. It's hurting me.
I'm very sorry about it, please. I promise I will talk to her. I will.
Please do. Let me quickly rush to the village. It seems no one is in my house. I want to go get my spare key so that I can get a trance.
Okay, Mom.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
Now they see Grace. Grace now they talk like this. Grace is speaking. See am now. You see am here. You know say I dey tell una say this year you know they look back to pack money. See am. This is a new whip. New whip. This is just the beginning. Oh. This is where they see like this. Now just the beginning. I go update you that later. Waiting they play. See am now. You dey see am. You dey see am like this. Excuse me. Which one be excuse you? Who you be? Why they disturb my video? They go where they go now. I say excuse me. I owe you.
I should be asking you that question. What are you doing here? Is this your car?
You be like say you know where. Waiting be your business as I dey here now. If not my car, why I stand for here? My friend face front they go where they go. No, they try that rubbish.
I can see you are trying yourself. Hold on.
Wetin dey happen?
Hello ma. Please, did you sell our car to anybody? Yes, because I saw a young man here trying to claim the car.
You don't see any young man, no. Me and Agua they go like this. I saw a young man anyway.
Where you go? I thought you said.
You dey form, wetin you no be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we no say nothing come out.
Baby, you are everything to me. You are the apple in my eyes. You are the apple in my eye. Apple the day for eyes. Ha. You are the cockroach in my cupboard. You are the sugar in my tea. You are the... No, that line don't cast now. Sugar in my tea. This. In fact, if I reach there, I will just carry this kid, give her, propose to her, shaking her. All this apple of my eyes, apple of my... That one don't cast.
My brother man, if you no get, you no get. My sister, if
where
you
is my booby?
Why you go come they like they give your help? Miss Lioness,
surprise!
Don't jump, Mr. Lion. Percy, when
surprise! Good afternoon. Where's my baby? Okay.
Just come out and be yourself, oh, na so you be, oh. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh, na so you be, oh. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh, na so you be, oh. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh.
You are about to get the shock of life. A very good one at that.
How?
Well, your boy is here. And I think he wants to pop the big question.
What do you mean by I pop the big question? Which question?
Let me not spoil the show. Just come and see first.
Talk now. Talk. What do you mean by that?
I will spoil the surprise. Just come see it. Mama, come now.
Why will I come? You want to reduce my steez? Why will I come now? I'm not going anywhere. So, just tell him to wait for me. So hold on. I will tell him so.
Ashib, wait. Did you hear what I just said? I said the ex-governor's son is here.
And I think he wants to propose to you.
Who is ex-governor's son? Ex-governor's son. That ex-governor's son, all his account, the money in all his account, is the money in my daddy's one bank. Just one bank. This is how people be doing, they'll use it anyhow. You don't stoop solo for men. Don't follow men like that. You want to tell him that you don't have money or you are worthless. I don't understand. All his money, my daddy can use it and buy one house. All his money. So don't go there. Don't rate me low like that. No, don't do that. Just tell him that I'm coming. This is how you end up in useless marriage. All because of money. Because they are looking at somebody that the person is your savior. Don't do that.
Oh, I'll never be poor. I must be rich.
No, you're not going to.
I'm just coming back from the meeting. How is everything?
I'm fine, welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
No, don't worry. Just get a seat. You can sit here. I need some fresh air. Okay, let me go sit.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine. Coming back from the meeting.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey,
how is your husband doing?
My sister, what do you want me to say? He's still the same. He's inside.
Are you serious? You mean he's inside this house? You took him to the hospital and nothing changed. I mean, no improvement?
Yeah. Okay, where did you for over to? Hospital. We did not take him anywhere. There's no money.
I don't understand. You mean your daughter did not give you the money my manager gave to her for your upkeep?
From the day you left here for Canada, I have not set my eyes on her.
My goodness.
I have not seen my daughter.
Wait. What has come over her? You mean you've not set your eyes on your daughter?
Do you know that I called her on phone? She picked my call. Refused to respond to my conversation. All she was saying was 10 containers of goose, 100 containers of goose, 20 containers of goose. What madness! Look, anybody that sets his or her eyes on my daughter should tell her that I have disowned her already.
No, it has not.
She's no longer my daughter.
It has not
anywhere.
Wait, it has not gotten to that. So where could she possibly be? Have you asked anyone? I mean, your friends, your relatives?
I did not ask and did not check because I know my daughter. She can never go to any of my relatives' house. And as I'm talking with you, there's no food in the house. We don't even have dime. I went to borrow from my colleague in our meeting place, but she refused to give to me. My dear, we are dying of hunger. I don't want to cry.
It's okay. You know what will happen? As soon as I gain entrance into my house, I'll give my manager some money to change and bring. Okay?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'll send you some money.
Thank
Let
you
me
so
go
much.
look for her.
My God will bless you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you. You have been trying for us. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. Please send me well to your husband. I'll come back, okay?
It's okay. Take care of yourself.
And you too.
Bye-bye. I'm
Madam, I went to your house and I delivered the parcel to her.
Are you sure she was the one who gave the parcel? I mean the envelope.
Well, the person I met described herself to be Choco.
Wait, hold on. Is she this person here?
Yes, she's the one. She's the one I met.
She's the one you gave the money?
Yes, yes.
It's okay. I'll get back to you.
All right, ma'am.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right, bye.
What if not true? Because he wants this man now foolish man, like you know, give sense. I don't understand. Person no go fit play. No be Yahoo boys they do clients, they go scot free. Why my own can't defend like this? Come carry me now, go meet him, Papa. What's that one talk? What's
Mama, he's still waiting. Let's go.
I'm coming. You going now? Go!
I want to be sure you're following me.
Go! Excuse me, I'm doing something very important. Just go. My heart is beating. Jesus.
From the first time I set my eyes on you, my life has never been the same.
Who be that person? Wake up here, come they disturb them again. Who they want guy like that now for person come out?
Can you open the gate?
Can I open the gate as in how? Na madam, who you be? Can I open the gate? You just they talk like that. Now so you supposed to talk to the chief security officer of this place. Who are you, madam?
And who are you? I should be asking you that question.
Aye!
Who are you?
Now the problem I always get with old people. So because you get money, you think that you fit intimidate me. You can't intimidate me because look at me. I fit be your destiny helper tomorrow. I they ask you something, they ask me back. You they find my trouble. No, let me insult you, madam.
Are you mad or something?
Me mad. Don't look down on me, oh. Because anyhow I am a solution to someone's problem. But anyway, I no get you at time. You get appointment with my madam. Yeah, stated in details.
Open the gate for me. In Apwala. Are you insane?
Ukari for. If I open this gate for you, make I bend. I ask you question, you cannot humble yourself and talk to me as the chief security officer. You won't chance me back. Make I go open this gate for you. Do you run off it? Ukari for.
Do I blame you?
You don't have to blame because you don't have manner. You they see me like this, they talk to me anyhow. Because I be security officer here. Because you get car, I can be your destiny helper tomorrow. Don't forget.
What's going on in my house? I mean, let me call Chuko.
Please, allow me to come into your life with my wealth and with your wealth together. We will make an amazing pair. The force will be massive to greater heights, to love, and greatness.
My heart is beating fast.
That's sweet.
My hand is still on.
Madam, say yes. Oh, this thing is making me emotional. Oh God, I'm blushing. Say yes, say yes. Toso say yes. God. Say yes. Say yes now. Women with too much shakara. Women with too much shakara. This thing you accept. Say yes.
Did you lock me outside?
Yummy.
Who are you? Who even employed you in this house?
You are a thief. How you take entire yoga? You put hand. Hi. So you are evil. Eh. You know, I know your plan. They don't send you, may you come distract this wonderful moment. But I cast it. I destroy it. I bind in the name of Jesus. Because the Bible says it shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1.
Will you keep quiet?
Bind you. Madam, who will give, see, if you want to, I'll give you double.
Choco!
Wait a minute, Choco.
Choco!
You stand here.
Are you okay? Are you stupid? Are you mad? See, let me tell you. I don't want to see you in my house again. By the time I come out, disappear. Choco!
Waiting this up. Hi. Waiting this up.
Say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes. Calm down now, what are you washing it? I'm washing Jesus.
Choco. Wait. What's going on here?
Madam, stay outside first. Why is it that now when something good won't happen, now village people they come bother your life. Come out outside, wait outside after. Excuse me. Carry this your Nigerian flag, come out from here. This your the Nigerian flag, you can come out for here first. They tell you this one. Shy, shy, why shall I shy? Why shall I shy? Don't be shy. I collect the ring. Collect the ring. I go love you. I go love you.
What just happened here now? Am I dreaming? Wait. Who is the boy that pushed me out of my own house? Who is he?
Come. You play another year one.
Are you mad or something?
You play another year one.
Is something wrong with
What
you?
did I tell you now? Why you disturbing the neighborhood? What's your problem? Whatever money you came to beg her, stay outside. When she's done, people will see.
Choco, what's going on here? How did you even get in here in the first place?
You see all these beggars always get pride. You come to someone's house to ask for a favor. They're telling you wait outside. There's a love going on here. Wait outside, later you come in. If I stand up from here, if I don't enter you know yourself. Oh.
Choco.
With your canopy wear.
Stand up and explain to me what is going on here right now.
Mama, please stand. Shame they catch me. I'm not going to
What's in the happen for here? Tell this woman make she down. You don't tell this woman be all you magnet.
Will you keep quiet? I get you locked up in a police cell right now.
Madam, you don't know who you're talking to. This is the ex-governor Amandi's son. Like the way you talk to him.
You don't even know who you are.
Hey, devil.
Give me second chance. I will not do it again.
Choco.
Devil, they live for this house. Which devil?
I employed you to take care of my house. All you did was to bring in hoodlums. And they are busy messing up everything in the house.
Me hoodlum. Mama,
Mama, this is not your house.
Not my house, actually. I be maid. Actually, they employed me here to work as maid.
And you, I said you should not say a word, else you will not like it. Anyway, let me call the police to come here right away.
Madam.
So an ordinary maid you be, and you employed me.
And they pay you now, no pay you.
You they pay who?
Hey, mommy.
Will you get your hands off me? Hello, officer. Yes, I am in the country.
So you won't be anything.
Please, can you bring your men to my house right now?
You know go better for you.
You be made here.
Okay, come on here, your contract door.
Okay, you're running away.
Your contract
And
door.
you?
Ma?
Will you stand up from there?
No, ma. Ma, I did a very bad thing. It's very bad.
Choco, will you stand up from there?
Ma, I cannot stand up. I'm a sinner. I need you to forgive me. I will not sin again, I promise you. Just give me a second chance. I'm sorry, ma. I saw the video online. I said, make I try it. I don't know if you go let me for wahala.
Which video? What are you talking about? I said stand up from there. Why are you covering your face? You dey shame. Chima. Oh, you answered. You even remember that your name is Chima. So what's the meaning of that choco or what? What does that mean?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate like how? I don't get it.
Like chocolate and
Eh?
it's melanin color. Like to show my color.
Really? So you were actually showing your color by changing your name from Chima to Chocolate and Caramel. Is that it? Caramel. Whatever. How could you be so stupid? Machi. How could you be so stupid and senseless that you don't know that your poor mother in the village is supposed to eat? I sent you money to give to your mother for her upkeep. You used all that money to buy clothes and shoes, and you're here bearing chocolate and caramel.
I'm sorry, ma. I will not do it again. You can even carry all the clothes and burn them. I know what to do. I've tested and I've come to realize that this Nigerian is not something that you claim like that. It's one step at a time.
So you know it's one step at a time. You actually jumped into motherhood, abi madamhood. So I should go and burn your clothes. You were even telling everyone that you were a billionaire's daughter. Adogaraya. So when was the last time you visited your poor mother in the village?
From here now, I'll go and see her.
Better for you. So turn around. Keep going. Go and carry your bag. I said go! Come back here. Go inside. Go and carry your bag and go. No, see her now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Go and carry your bag. Chocolate and caramel. These days, you don't underrate girls. Imagine.
Hello? What? Where? Okay, I'll be on my way. Wait. Are you done with the spa? Okay. Yeah, but I just got a call that my baby has been arrested. Which baby? Which of the baby? How many baby do I have?
Don't tell me it's that idiot that you broke up with a few hours ago that you want to...
Hey, please. Do not sound like a broken record, okay? I know what you're about to say, but please, spare me all that.
So what did they say is offense?
I don't know until I get there.
Don't tell me you want to go there. Do you know the crime that idiot committed if he killed somebody or what? Something?
Please, stop. Okay, you know what? You can't even go with me because you can't be sounding like this. Please, please.
I'm not sure this guy.
I'll call you back.
He's ordinary. This guy used something on you.
I'll call you when I come back, okay? Alright, see you next time.
Please, I'm very sorry. Please. Please forgive me. I can't live without you in this life. Please. Please.
What are you still doing here? I thought I made it clear that I'm no longer interested.
I'm sorry. I went back and came back again. Please. Please. I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me.
Hey, babe.
Babe.
Oh, you're on your way? Okay, just give me a few seconds, okay? Let me just change into something that will fit into the dinner, okay? Alright. Okay, I'll be waiting. Alright, okay? Bye.
From where?
Please, I want you to disappear.
Babe, please.
You dey form, wetin you no be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we no say nothing come out. You dey call mele, call bele wawa. All the cars, all designers now boropos. Scammer they pray to scam the scammer, just they play.
Talk to me like that. I'm still your madam.
If you talk that nonsense again, I go eat you. You dey mad. Who be your madam?
Give money. See, I don't know what you're talking about, but today, my money, my salary must be paid in full. No dime missing. Did you hear me?
See, as you don't help my family fulfill their prophecy, say, anywhere I go, I must come back at Kwaibo empty-handed. Now give me my transport, make I go back. Give me my transport, make I go back. If not, dead body goes up plus here. Oh.
See, madam, I beg. See, I take God, take beg, just guys, take beg, Holy Spirit, stay beg you. My wife will get belly. She won't born next week. I need to buy things now. Give me my money and I beg now.
So all of you don't forget when they chop chicken, they chop jollof rice. You they raise your hand, they tap your madam head.
If you talk again, I go knock you. If I don't knock you,
like una so that they
lose your money.
Not my money.
Now your money.
One that they chop now. You know ask for that my money.
You still
you chop
my money. You know why?
Now you chop us off.
You know for this life, what you God not supposed to do for person now. When you lift them up, you not supposed to carry and go back. Because true, when money there, friends go there. When money no there, everybody go there. They run. When I been get them, and they hear mama. Nah, knock, they eat my head.
I go buy you. If you talk again, I knock. But why you dey wicked?
When you grow up, I beg.
Call us.
Why you dey wicked like this, eh? Why you not tell us, eh? No be you be our madam.
You don't do. Make we no go insult ourselves again. You don't do. Make everybody know their standard. You don't do. When I follow me go, I make her go ask my mama.
Wait. Don't deceive us.
May I go collect money from my mama now?
We look homeless.
We go together.
Auntie, bring the money, because see go your mama house. Like we're homeless. Shake body.
You when they help me chop money,
you chop the money past me. No even call me.
As you talk like this, you are making me.
They chop your money. No call me.
You are making me emotionally stranded. So be very fast like this.
When I hold my bag, I go withdraw money.
No worry. I go hold you. Leave the bag. I go hold you. Let's go together.
Now go withdraw money now.
Who
Which kind
sends you?
shop be this one now?
We go.
Which kind shop be this one now? I know madam, I still get money. Which kind shop be this one now?
We go together.
You don't want make you disappear from
us. When I take, go withdraw yourself. talk. Nothing don't go around. Don't.
Auntie, give me pin.
Wait till me a pin.
Tomorrow, God will lift you up, lift you down.
It shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. John 3:16.
No,
Give am pin.
Give me the pin.
Double one, double two. If God not lift my up, lift my down, make I know what to do.
I reject it.
I
I reject it. 1 1 2 2. 1 1 2 2. 1 1.
Let me not see money in this one.
2 2. Let me go. 1 1.
Let's go. I go see who God will lift for now. We know who God go pity. We know who God go punish. God will punish all of you. God will punish all of you for insulting me this way. Don't worry. I see that one.
You have money, Shay?
Yes, I have cash.
Up to 500k, Abi? Because I need 500.
500k.
500k.
Press up now. Fast.
500k.
Auntie, 500 now.
Madam, this card has expired. What's the meaning of this?
This
card that's expired now. This card don't expire.
Which kind of talk be this? They say press money,
When
say
they
card
start
don't
from my
expire.
ear, you
Njau
know
goro.
that's
Chine kumazi. I check the card. Check up now.
It's true.
Hey, carry and come.
It expired 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Make we bring
Hey!
and come back. What? No shout. Madam, you get waiting then they talk. If you do plan A, you know work, do plan B. Since you be one put them like this, you discover say the card don't expire. My dear, turn it like this.
If you don't leave here, I am going to scream. Hey. If you don't leave here, I am going to scream. Oga, leave this place.
You go
Leave
walk
this
now?
place.
It
Leave
is
this
fine.
place.
We should have known how. We should have known how.
Can you imagine? If you want to scam me, hey, these people be like people will get 500k.
He's not here again. Come on, Sam. Look at where he's Wait. Wait. He's not here. I think this guy did this thing. Look at this in my back. I didn't find out. I beg no fix. Okay. She be standing here now. If I stop him, I will leave my back. My spirit is telling me. Come on, now you say money in the car. Now you say money in the car. What kind of spirit you get now? What is that fight? Your spirit, my spirit tells me my money. I need this guy to do this. I want to get belly. You say your spirit say money in the car. You get like a Bible. You go say like a Bible. Why are you like that? Acting like boys. He go pay my money first. His spirit say money in the car. Your spirit, hold on. I know she's a spirit. Tozo, where your spirit? You don't wear a Bible. How am I getting it? Tozo, what do you want now? It's not you, man. It's not you. It's not you. It's not you.
You there inside. You cannot leave me stranded like this. Better come outside. Let's continue from where we stop. You cannot leave me stranded like this. Open this door. Open this door now. Huh. I don't know.
Hello. Are you the new tenant?
What do you mean by that? Am I the new tenant?
Yes. The landlord said I should give you the key. Are you the one?
Oh, yes, I'm actually the one. So I was thinking somebody took my position or something.
Oh.
So where's the key?
Okay, let me get it for you.
Okay.
Okay, this is the key.
Okay, so you stay here?
Yes. Please make sure you don't touch anything that belongs to the old tenant. And when you are done, kindly hand the key over to me.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Congratulations. You passed the trials.
Which trial?
This ring is something that will lead you to wealth. Yes, because by the time you accept to be with me, you're automatically part of the nest of kin. Okay, I've not finished what I want to say.
You can continue saying. I'm listening.
Okay.
Is that right? Continue.
Okay. You've engaged yourself already, so no need to go ahead. This.
So, you're marrying me?
Yes.
Finally! I know it will work. You see all this, your giddy. I know it will work. Last. It will work. Thank you so much. Congratulations to us. See, I'll make a very good wife. You don't need to bother yourself.
Prepare the chief bridesmaids, okay? Ask them the wedding gown, everything, how much it will cost.
No problem.
Then I'll come back. Let's get started with the plan in no time.
Right away.
Yes.
Ha! Eee! Tata! Where are you? Start coming to my Baba Kitty house. Nah. I beg. Start coming. We have good news. We have wedding to plan. Hey, I want you to be you'll be one of my chief bridesmaids. You help me and contact any photographer. Do you know any photographer? Hey, help me and contact them. Then, do you also know any event planners? All these. Okay, you have one already. Okay, just send me their handle. Let me go through their page. Okay, no problem. Got you. Hey! Pion! I don't go. Yeah, so this is my bridal shower day. We're getting ready. We're getting ready.
Everybody's getting married.
Yes.
The
So
latest boss lady in town.
Yes. Let's just take a picture.
Okay. Okay. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Wow, it's very cute.
Thank you.
Wow, I love this one. Can change your style now.
Swear.
Dream come true.
Very well.
Let's go. Let me see. it's so fine. I'm going to pepper them. Pepper them.
Back to back.
Let's go. Let's take together. Let all of us come together. Let's go. Let's take selfie. Everyone say cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Hey! Oh. Get up! Get up!
Stop now! You just spread my brother shower now. Who is this one now? Who are you? What is it?
What are you doing here?
Wait. You again? In my man's house? You again? What are you doing here? What are you doing here, Dimpa?
That question should be for you. What are you doing in
No,
my
it
man's house?
should be for you. What are you doing in my man's house? You think my man can stoop so low to be with somebody like you, classless lady like you? When you have seen that, you have seen somebody like me, you have seen his speck. So what are you still doing here? Tell me.
Someone like you?
Yes.
One more word from you, I will squeeze you into two and blow you into there. And do you even know who I am? Do you know who you're talking to?
Auntie, who are you?
I'm Ekene's woman. Ekene belongs to me. I own this place. Everything you see here, I fixed it. So he belongs to me. He is my man. So I don't know what you're talking about or who you and what you're doing here. So get hell out! Out!
You rented this place for you. Are you hearing yourself? You are too desperate. Like all these young girls, people, you are too desperate. Somebody that is ex-governor's son. How do you think you can rent a house for him? Ex-governor's, like, are you listening to yourself? All these girls, people are too desperate.
It's like you're not listening to me. I said you should shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up again. Don't tell me to... Jesus. Shut up! Shut up!
Hey! So you still know the way to this house? Hey! Importer and exporter. Container woman. 20 containers.
Good afternoon.
You say good afternoon. Oh, say good afternoon. I have heard you. Good afternoon. Where is the money that Madam Kero gave to you for your father and I?
Mama, allow me now. You never ask me how far. You never ask me what happened. Why are you in the village? From city to village. You never ask me, okay, well, how is your trip? How come? How are you in the village? I'm just asking for money now. Allow me rest first now.
I should allow you to rest. I should allow you to rest, okay?
If I'm sick. Do you know why I came back to the village?
That is, you are not even ready to give me the money.
I'm ready, but not now.
Bring that money, give it to me.
I'm coming.
You're coming. You're coming. You're coming. Are you serious? Okay, you're coming. You're coming. No, why running? Now come and explain to me. Come and explain. Ochicha meri ihe boro, okay? Ajọ nwa.
My guy, now. You enjoy it. My son has come over. Madam Oyoyo. Madam Oyoyo.
You don't come.
Yes, sir.
Wetin happen you come late?
Madam Oyoyo, na traffic o. You know say that our couple road?
Yeah.
E block o. Trailer fall
Okay.
for there.
Mm.
Na back, I come follow. Normally, you know say me I dey come on time now.
No wahala.
Make you know vex.
No wahala. How much on the year?
Na 3,000 dey.
Okay, 3,000.
I do am well o.
money. I talk to you now.
Just man follow you chop now. Wetin happen, madam?
Wait o. Wetin dey happen here? Wetin dey chop?
Na kpomo dey happen here o.
Who tell you say na akpomo be that?
Na kpomo na, no be kpomo be this.
Hey! That thing na bush meat. Na bush meat be that.
No wonder. Because it's too soft.
Hey!
No wonder. How much?
Na 5,000 naira for one.
Hmm?
5,000 naira for one.
But you dey prank me, abi?
Which one be prank? I dey tell you say na 5,000 naira for one. You dey tell me say I dey prank
5,000
you.
as what? Na lion meat.
You dey crazy. You want me slap your mouth? Na so your papa come here come borrow 5,000 naira for me. You now don dey chop meat of 10,000 naira. You dey okay? In short, come enter kitchen. Come go wash plates.
Wait now. You for put say na 10,000. How you go just put meat like this? I don't know now. The one wa chop small.
See this poor boy o. Fine boy, no money. Who send you before?
Madam, no dey talk like that. Na patronize I wan patronize.
Which kind patronize?
This thing?
Oga, enter kitchen go wash plate. If not, I go gather boys wey dey come beat you for here. You dey craze. Abeg enter kitchen. Follow me. I dey talk you dey stand. You want my gather boys? Oh yeah, follow me. Dey go.
Madam, wait till I go say make I dey.
Oga, dey go. You want my push you? Dey go.
Ha, this kind of wahala dey this.
Vomit wetin? Dey dey vomit with the dog. Dey go.
Go wash plates. No need. Go collect sponge. Go wash plate.
Oh my baby. Come here. I've really missed you. You're welcome. Come, let's go inside. Amy, you're welcome.
You dey form, wetin you know be wawa. You dey try make you blend, na so you come dey lie wawa. Plenty packaging where we know say nothing come out.
Money go enter your pocket.
enter your pocket.
Money go enter your pocket.
Enter your pocket.
Yes, so money go enter your pocket if you get phone and you dey post videos for YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. Money suppose dey enter your pocket now. Now waiting for Forever MCN they talk, and if you check am, not true. If na monetization you dey find, Forever go do am for you. You don't monetize but your video no dey fly, Forever go make people dey rush your videos anytime you post. We go even make sure say nobody fit to use your videos without your permission. Brand deals unko, we go connect you to better brand we go pay you to post their products. E never finish Forever go give you free hype, music library and oyibo technology wey dem dey call AI to help your videos. Whether you just dey start or you be OG for the game, your hustle must pay. Oya sharply send us email to marketing@forever.com. Call or WhatsApp +234 816 992 5722. Visit mbi247.com. Forever MCN, the home of content creators.
They call me Mele, call Billy Wawa. All the cars, all designers, now borobos. Scammer, they pray to scam the scammer, just they play. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh, now so you be, oh. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh, now so you be, oh. My brother man, if you no get, you no get. Oh, yo. My sister, if you didn't they, he didn't they. Oh, da. Why you go come they like they give your help out? Miss Lioness, don't jump Mr. Lion. Person will never cross the border, they speak for me. The way your matter go cast, you go left. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Just come out and be yourself, oh, now so you be, oh. Fake life, oh, you know they pay, oh.